Now let us see the other method by using a compass. Drawing 90 degrees by using a compass. So here square LUDO with LU is given 4.5 centimeters. So this is the first exercise, children. In this first exercise we are using SSA property. So when 4 sides and 1 angle is given, children. Okay, given in a square LUDO. Before only I have explained. See here, if one side is given, all sides are equals to 4.5 centimeters because it is a square and each and every angle is 90 degrees. So here each and every point LUDO is how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay. Now let us see the construction. Draw a line segment. LU is how many centimeters? 4.5 centimeters. See children, one point on 0, other point on 4.5. Draw a line segment. Okay. So what are the 2 points we have used here? First one is L, second one is U. Of how many centimeters we have drawn? 4.5 centimeters. Now what we should draw? We should draw angle 90 degrees. What we should draw? 90 degrees here with center U. By taking center U, draw a ray. What we should draw? Draw a ray by using a compass. Take a compass. Take more than half. This is exactly half. More than half of the radius. This is more than half of the radius. Draw a major arc. Okay, children. Now, where these 2 points, where these 2 lines joins here, this line and arc. Again from there with the same measurement of compass, draw one more arc. From these 2 arcs again draw one more arc. Okay children, this is 60 degrees if we join a line. This is 120 degrees if we join a line. But we don't want 60 and 120. We want how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay children. So for this, see here 60 plus 30. We want here 30 degrees. Half of 60 is how much? 30. So exactly in between these two, we will get 30 degrees. So join this. Draw 2 arcs from one point here, the other point here. Now if we draw a ray, we will get exactly 90 degrees. I will show you. See, this is a ray. Ray does not have any measurement. It has one end point and one endless point. Okay children, see, I will show you how we got 90 degrees by using a protractor. See. Is it 90 degrees children? Yes. Not only by using protractor, we can also use set square. See here. This also will be exactly equals to 90 degrees. I will show you. See here. See, one point on 0, other point on 90. Okay children. So if we take these 2 line segments or 2 sides, total it is making an angle 90 degrees. See here, this is a right angle symbol also. Okay, now the angle is how much? 90 degrees. Now what's the next point? What we should do? We should draw an arc of how many centimeters? 4.5. Now only with center U we have drawn a ray. Now we should draw an arc equals to how many centimeters? 4.5 centimeters. See, one point on 4.5, other point on 0. So from point U, we should draw an arc. Okay. Now this ray and arc meet at a point D. Now see, all sides are equal, so no need to change this compass length. Okay children, from L and D. So which centers D and L. Draw two arcs equals to how many centimeters? 4.5 centimeters. From L, 4.5 centimeters arc. From D, 4.5 centimeters arc. So children, these two arcs meet at a point O. Okay children. Now, what we should do? Join LO and OD. LO and OD. See? Join these 2 points exactly children. This is very important. And one point on D, 1 point on O is D. Okay children. Now U2D also 4.5 centimeters. O2D also 4.5 centimeters. L2O also 4.5 centimeters. If you want, I will show the scale 4.5 centimeters. All are 4. See here, this is 4.5 here also. This side OD also 4.5 and yellow also 4.5 and each and every angle is 90 degrees. I will show by using this set square. See this side, this angle U is 90 degrees. D is 90 degrees. See here children. Here also 90 degrees and here also 90 degrees.